First of all, let's look at the weather story. Of course, it's slow. Warmer weather for the weekend. All right. Partly cloudy, possible rain. As a cold front approaches and moves in the area, this front also brings spotty showers to northeast Missouri and western Illinois. Okay. Okay, so tonight's going to be cold. Friday night. Alright. So let's go ahead and download the situation report. And that'll pretty much give it to you for the entirety. So we have elevated fire danger. Let's go ahead and look at it in this area. So we have an elevated fire danger here. And if you look at this on a topography, your map that shows topography, terrain, your botanical map shows like plants and stuff. There we go. This is in the last 7 days. So yes, I'm at the library as usual. The world's loudest. Alright, so there's your recent earthquake activity. Okay, so there's our recent earthquake activity in the last 7 days.